This is the X800 smartwatch. It's a funky implementation of Android 8.1. Yes, it's an Android watch in a case design made to look sort of like the Apple Watch Ultra. You see that in it? Only it's round. Really wild. When you pull down, you get a whole bunch of different controls. It's really a different way of looking at Android. Bluetooth calling, Wi-Fi, cellular, your overall settings are up here. That's your airplane mode. This is how you display your apps and clean up some stuff. You've got some display options on here. Your phone calling. Yes, it does use a SIM card, believe it or not, in that little tray. I can't do it with my fingernails, but it'll pop out and you can put a SIM card in there. And of course your sound on and off and some basic information from here. When you go this way, you get your step count information for the day. And that's all it'll do. But when you're in the app, you can scroll up and see a little more detail. Heart rate happens right here. Uses a diode on the back. When you go here, you get blood oxygen. You saw the last reading came and disappeared. It's doing it again now using red diode technology. And that's about all you've got when you scroll across here. From the watch faces, you can change these puppies simply by turning the dial. There are only a few in here, and there's no easy way to install other ones, either through the server or from side-loading watch faces as we've seen before. Now, when you slide up, you get notifications sent from your phone, and if you go this way, he says, you will get all of your different apps. You've got your dial plate, which is your watch faces, the style for how you're seeing this, and there's a variety of them. Some chat and dial and contacts and friends and things that have to do with SIM card calling, although I have not been able to get the SIM card to work with it. You have a camera and photo album in here. You have step count, SIM card setup and all that. You got a calculator built into this and calendar, video chat. Supposedly couldn't get that to work either. There's an app market. Now this has got a whole bunch of apps that you could download. But again, a recommendation is you do it from the Google Play Store instead, and that's coming up. Some tools, heart rate, there's your video player if you want to, QR code capability, more apps are in here. These are ones that are installed like the Google Play Store, so you can download all your apps, Maps and Chrome. A few more things in here, basic stuff that we've already looked at. All these things that start with a Z, I have no idea what they are. They appear that they work only in China. All in all, it's an interesting Android smartwatch. I wouldn't say it's a good implementation. It's squirrely and limited. You can get it in 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of storage, or for a few bucks more, 4 gigabytes and 64 gigs. Animated watch faces in this one. It uses this nice orange stock band that's using the quick disconnect, not the Apple slide style that we're used to on these type of watches. And of course, it's a very interesting case design. It's the X800. Check it out.